Hello, and welcome to this helpful guide. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to permanently delete your Temu account using an Android phone. If you're looking to remove your account for privacy, security, or personal reasons, first, open the Temu app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon. Then, once your profile page opens, click the settings icon in the top right. After that, select Account Security from the settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find the option Delete your Temu account. Tap on it to proceed. Then, check the box labeled I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Click Continue to move forward. Now select a reason for deleting your account from the list provided. Tap Continue again. Choose a verification method, such as email, to confirm your identity. Tap on your chosen method. Temu will now send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox and find the message from Temu. Copy the verification code provided. Return to the app and enter the code in the required field. Once done, your deletion request will be submitted. Temu will delete your account within 7 days. Important: do not log back into your account during this period, or the deletion will be cancelled. Thanks for watching this video. I hope the tutorial made the process clear and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech.